Okay, we've got 2 weeks till the appraiser comes, and right now we are trying for a FHA loan, and in order to get that loan your house has to be livable. This house is over 100 years old actually. Started as a 2-room rock house. So my plan is to paint everything as fast as I possibly can, including over this adobe brick fireplace or chimney. I'm gonna need a lot of primer paint for this room, or even just primer first. We didn't do all these colors. This was done before. Anyway, so that's my project today. I've got 2 more bedrooms up here. And a lot of cleaning up to do. And then they painted this room pink up on the ceiling. It's like, my colors are blush and bashful, said Julia Roberts in Steel Magnolias. If you haven't seen that movie, you gotta watch it. It's pretty cool. So they called this Pepto-Bismol walls, and I agree. In that movie they did anyway. So that's what it looks like when they paint the brick. It actually looks pretty decent. It keeps it from crumbling. You have an old linoleum floor. So this upstairs is going to be a heck of a lot easier to look, make it look better, except for all this food storage. I don't know what we're going to do. This is called a widow's walk. Maybe I'll just paint like the ceiling and just behind the top layer of those cans. Then the appraiser won't see behind the rest of the wall, right? That's my hope. If you have any tips and tricks for this, because this house is so old, the electrical is insane. It's got some scary old wires, and we need to get this loan approved because this is the only loan right now that we're eligible for. So if anybody has tips and